Welcome to our spectacular journey through the alphabet of animals. Today, we're starting with the magnificent African elephant. Picture this gentle giant roaming Kenya and South Africa, munching on grasses and foliage while leading a bustling social life in female-led herds. But, oh dear, these remarkable beings face endangerment due to ruthless poaching and habitat loss. Now, let's venture across the waters to meet the alligator, the stealthy carnivore of the United States freshwater havens. These cold-blooded lurkers prey on fish, birds, and mammals, yet oddly enough, they sit comfortably with the least concern. Traveling down to Argentina, we encounter the armadillo, the armored insectivore rolling through grasslands and forests. These unique creatures snack on insects and plants, but unfortunately face threats due to habitat loss and hunting. Now let's take a flight with the albatross, the incredible coastal glider cruising across various regions, scavenging on fish and krill. Despite their exceptional abilities and long lifespans, some albatross species encounter issues like bycatch and habitat degradation. Slithering into view is the anaconda, South America's freshwater predator. These colossal constrictors dine on aquatic animals, yet their species' fate varies. Some face uncertain futures while others glide through life relatively undisturbed. Diving underwater, we meet the dazzling angelfish, vibrant reef inhabitants dining on algae and plankton. Despite their stunning appearance, various angelfish species battle threats from habitat degradation and overfishing. And lastly, in the cover of darkness, the aardvark emerges, foraging in Africa's savannas for ants and termites. Though generally stable, some aardvark populations confront challenges from habitat loss. These incredible creatures represent just a snippet of the vast diversity in our animal kingdom. Join us on our next exploration as we journey through more fascinating creatures from B to Z.